video we will see how to install Cisco ASA virtual appliance in GNS3. I'm using GNS3 version 227. You can verify from here GNS3 server 227, and also if you go to help about, this is 227. Okay, and the operating system I'm using is Windows 10 64-bit and 16 GB RAM. KVM support has to be available. You can verify from here. Normally the issue can be if you go to setting, if it is not true in case, so go to processor, this has to be enabled. If this is enabled, then sometime the issue can be this one. Okay, how to install it? So go to your security devices, click on new template, choose the default one which is selected, click next. Here you can type ASA to filter. It's mentioned here Cisco ASA Virtual QEMU. Yes, install. Click default one VM. Next, choose QEMU binary default one. Okay, if you have these images and if you can download from Cisco, it's okay. You can choose and download. But in my case, I have version this one 871 8, this one by the way, I have this version. If I go here, let me verify 981. Yes, so I have 98 version. It's already installed, but I'm just showing you how to install it. So create a new version. This what you have to do. So 981, this is the version I want to install. 981, type in, and because I already have this one, so it will give me an error. So I need to give them a new name. No need to type ASA version, it will automatically come up. Okay, so it's come up now with 981. Because the image is already there, so it's picked the image automatically, but in your case it will not pick automatically. You have to import. Click on import, go to the image 987, whatever image you have. It has to be any image by the way. Choose this image, open, and it will import, upload the image to VMware. Here, this how it works. Okay, so when it's upload finish, let it finish. Okay, now it's ready. Click next. Yes, finish. That's it. Now it's installed with this one, the new one. If I drag and click on this one, it will run straight away. Let me click on console. Okay, let me enter it. You know, it open and tight VNC. This is the only issue. We don't want Cisco ASA Firewall to open in VNC. I need to open it super putty, either in your putty, either secure CRT with your console. It's up to you. Like if I go to configuration and change the console type to telnet, it will not open. Keep in mind, it will only open in VNC, but I need it in a telnet console. Like a telnet console means your secure CRT maybe in your super putty, maybe putty, whatever you are using. So I just need to convert this. Okay, so let me show you it's working and booting. How we can do it? So first of all, I need to go, let me show you. Yeah, I need to remove use as a link based image. I want to make it as a template. So when next time I drag it, it will open in console rather than it will open in VNC. That's what I want, to make them permanent. Okay, so how I can make it permanent? Okay, let it be, to show you it will run. Okay, after a while it will show me, then I will show the step how to convert it to console. Okay, so total network card, and it will open. Yeah, it's almost there. It will show me the prompt. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so it's come up now, but I don't need like this way. So close this one. delete this one, I don't need. Go to edit, preferences, go to QEMU VM. The VM I just installed is this one with N. Go to edit, advanced, and uncheck this. Use as a link based VM because I want to make it as a template. Okay, apply, okay. Now drag this one and on again and open it. Okay, so it will open in VNC. Then I need to follow these steps. Not difficult. I just need to enable serial interface. How I can enable serial interface? These are the command. I need to go to configuration. Then I have to create one dump info file and copy this one. Okay, that's it. And after this, it will convert to console. So yeah, it's booting now. I need to wait for this to boot. Then I will follow these steps. I cannot copy this. That's why we don't like VNC because you cannot do anything. Okay. Sometimes we just copy and paste, but in this case, I cannot do many things. It's not user friendly VNC. So it's better to convert them to your user friendly putty or super putty or secure CRT, whatever you are using. So I need to follow these steps, which is too easy, not that much difficult. I'm just waiting that my system can boot Cisco ASA Firewall. Then I will type these command. So just bear with me for a few moments. Okay, so it's almost there. Okay, that's it. Now I need to go to enable configure T configuration mode, and what I need to do cd core dump info. Go to this folder now, copy core dump.cfg to disk 0 with use underscore tty is capital and this is 0, keep in mind, and enter, enter, enter. That's it. You can verify by command is dir disk 0. If this file is here, it means you done everything correctly. Yeah, it's there. No need to write means to save the setting. Okay, when it's done, if it is rebooted, it will show me this prompt. If it is show me this prompt, then it means it working properly. So let me stop it and start again to verify that whatever I done is correct or not. So let me restart the system. If it is showing you like this, okay, Lena to use serial port, it means it's now ready. You will not be prompt here for Cisco ASA because you change the mode. So keep in mind, I'm just, yeah, so it's coming now. Running in KVM virtual environment. So it means my every step is okay. What next step I need to do? Okay, now I can change to my console, which I like. So let me close this one, stop, right click, go to config, change to telnet, apply and OK. Let's verify it is working now or not. Start again and go to console. This time it will open in my secure CRT because this is my default console. Look it, so it open now, but I need to wait. If it is coming here, so it means everything is okay. Yes, so it's coming. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, so it's booted now. Okay, and my it's okay, so it's working properly. It means everything is okay. So what I need to do now, I need to stop this image. I don't need anymore. Go back to edit, go to preferences, click on QEMU VM. The one which we install is this one. click on edit, go to advanced. Now check this one, use as a link based VM. Now my template is ready, that every time when I drag the firewall, it has to be open in my secure CRT, which I change to console. Next thing, you go to general setting, change the console type now to telnet. Okay, apply. Okay, now drag and click. So whenever you go to console, it will open in your console. Look at any new image. You can run this one as well, because before I created a template, now every time it will boot. Okay, so you can see this one as well, this one as well. So starting in my console type. Yeah, I just need to verify if one of them booted so that I can show you. Yeah, it's working, and also this one is working. No need of this one, it's the same thing. Okay, yeah, it will start after a while. Okay, so it will reboot. First time it will check everything and it will reboot, then it will work. Okay, if it is rebooting again and again, that's the issue. Otherwise it's okay, first time it will reboot. So let me wait for that to verify, and then we are done. Okay, so still rebooting, we need to wait for a while, and these were the steps which we follow. Okay, so we went and changed to telnet. Okay, and then go to advanced and check this one, and these are the steps which we follow. So both, because I run two systems, so I have to wait for a while. It's require more CPU and RAM. Okay, so we are almost there. Okay, so here you go, almost. Okay, yeah, it's come up now. So enable, go to configuration, show interface, IP brief, everything is okay. We have 6 interfaces with one management interface, and this one is also booted. So done. Now I don't need.